Agnolotti, a delicate pillowy pasta filled with rich flavors and even richer in traditions. Let's begin our journey into this timeless classic. Agnolotti was born in the vineyard-covered hills of Piedmont, northern Italy, a region known for its prized truffles and Barolo wines and deep-rooted food traditions. The story traces back to the Middle Ages. Legend has it that a clever cook named Agnolotto first served these delicate parcel of pasta at a noble banquet, and the name stuck. But Agnolotti wasn't reserved for royalty. In the Piedmontese home, it became a symbol of resourcefulness. Family would take leftover meats, slow-roasted veal, pork, or beef, and fold them gently into fresh pasta dough, creating something comforting, elegant, and entirely their own. While Italy shaped its heart, Piedmont's location bordering France and Swiss left its mark on the flavors. You'll find French-style butter sauces, alpine herbs, and even creamy fillings influenced by the neighboring cultures. Coming up next, we'll bring this heritage to life. Join me for part 2, where we'll make agnolotti from scratch, step by step, from dough to fold to finish. See you there.